Yes, 134. Single box break of SP Game Used. Here's the box that we will be breaking. Do the team draw first as always. Good luck, guys. Roll the dice 3 or more times as always. Good luck. 6 times, 3 and 3. Start with the teams. Jets on the bottom, Ducks on top. Good luck. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Arizona Coyotes to the top, Leafs on the bottom. 6 times. Oops. Copy that again. And spot holders. Flova, sir, with the last 3 on the bottom. Canucks fan 1980 on top. Good luck, guys. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. 6 times, guys. Jay Borgen's on the bottom and on top. Here are your... Oops. Here are your teams for group break 1, 3, 4. Jay Borgen's with the Coyotes. Flova with the Red Wings, Panthers, Jets, Bruins, and Flames. Mad Matty 3601, Columbus Blue Jackets. DeBen, the LA Kings. Flova, the Sharks. Canucks fan 1980, the Tampa Bay Lightning. Jay Borg, the Blues. Grizzla, the Islanders. DeBen, the Sabres. Mad Matty 3601, the Oilers. Flova, the Devils, Stars, Devils and Stars. Jay Borgens with the Ducks. Grizzla with the Avalanche. Jay Borgens with the Rangers. Canucks fan 1980, the Penguins. Mad Matty 3601, the Canadiens. Flovelser with the Predators. Canucks fan 1980, the Capitals. DeBen, the Blackhawks. Flova, the Senators. Dan, the Flyers. Flova, the Wild. Jay Borgens, the Carolina Hurricanes. Flova, the Canucks. And Jay Borgens, the Toronto Maple Leafs as well. Give you guys a few minutes for trading, and we'll be back with the break in a few minutes here. You have to ask Flovis or Jay Borg if the Canucks, if he'll trade the Canucks. Let's try and print one more time, see if it magically works. Doubt it will, but we'll see. Yeah, it's still offline, I don't know why. Can't get it to work. 1, 3, break. 1, 3, 4. What's up, Beard and Butter? Got more single box breaks after this one, guys. Can run back SB game used if you want. We got Playbook, Portfolio, Champs, Showcase, Black if you want to. There's a 4-box case in here. We'll take one of them out of it. Now, whatever one fills, Beard and Butter. This is what we have left on the screen here. SB game used just filled. We have 27 left in Playbook, 27 left in Portfolio, 30 left in Showcase, 30 left in Champs, 29 left in Black. We can do another one of SB game used if you want. Can do another OPG Platinum. We did that one earlier too. Whatever one you guys want to fill. Grizzly, I think Wes is playing poker right now, so I don't know if he'll answer. Any trades, guys? Any trades? Any trades, guys? Last call. Stick around. We'll give away a pack after the break as well. Got many more boxes we can do. All right, guys, here we go. 793 is the box number, last 3 digits. Good luck to all, guys. For the Nashville Predators, Pekka Rinne, jersey. For the Tampa Bay Lightning, Vladislav Nemesnikov, numbered 489. of $4.99 jersey for the Tampa Bay Lightning. Nashville is Flova. Tampa is Wes, Canucks fan. For the Toronto Maple Leafs, Matt Sundin and Ed Belfour. Dual Authentic Fabrics. Jay Bork. What's up, Bombada? For the San Jose Sharks, Chris Tierney. Rookie auto. Flova. And final hit of the break for the LA Kings. Net cord of Mike Richards. Number 25 of 25. There you go to Ben. And that's the break, guys. Thank you very much. Appreciate everyone's purchases. I'll get that out to you guys this weekend. I don't think I have a top loader thick enough for this one.